Hi, my name is Chris Horton. I'm with MarineMax in Pensacola, Florida at Bahia Mar Marina. Today we're on a 2018 SEA PRO 208 center console. This boat's powered by a Mercury 115 4-stroke. It has digital gauges, stainless steel rocker switches, a Simrad Go 5, Fusion Bluetooth stereo with 4 speakers, tilt steering, as well as a helm pad, flip up bolsters on the leaning post, dual live wells, jump seats, lockable rod storage, and it's already wired for a trolling motor. There are your battery trays right there. Extra large fish box and anchor locker. If you have any more questions, please call us at 850-477-1112.